In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and correct a payment that is already deposited. If you need to fix a payment after it has already been deposited, don't worry. This is something you can usually handle directly from your account register, and the process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. The key is making sure you're editing the correct transaction in the correct account, especially if the payment was deposited into a checking or savings account. To get started, go to the top right corner of your screen and click the gear icon. This is where you'll find many of the settings and lists used to manage your books. From that menu, select Chart of Accounts. This will open the full list of your business accounts, including bank accounts, credit cards, and other account types. Next, find the account where the deposit was originally made. In many cases, this will be a checking account or a savings account, so take a moment to confirm you're opening the right one. Once you've located the correct account, click View Register. The register gives you a detailed transaction-level view, which makes it easier to locate and update specific payments that have already been posted. Now, scroll through the register and locate the payment you want to correct. It helps to check the date, amount, and any other identifying details so you can be confident you're selecting the right transaction. Once you find it, select the payment, make the necessary changes, and then click Save. There is one important thing to keep in mind here. If that payment has already been reconciled, you won't be able to simply edit it without first removing the reconciliation status. So, if needed, unreconcile the transaction first, then go back and make your correction. This is important because reconciled transactions are usually locked in place to help preserve the accuracy of completed bank reconciliations. After you've made your changes, click Save again to confirm everything, and that's it. Your payment has now been corrected, even though it was already deposited. As a final tip, always double-check the updated transaction after saving to make sure the amount, date, and account details are all correct. That extra review can help you avoid reconciliation issues later on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.